So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add an email account in the Mail app on your iPhone. So let's get started right away. So for this, we need to have the settings app opened up and not the actual Mail app. We're just going to scroll a bit down to see passwords and accounts. I want to click on that. And right here in the middle, it says add account, and we want to click on that as well. And from here on out, you can choose any mail you want to, but I'm just going to click Google because in my opinion Gmail is the best. So click on continue, and then you'll end up on this page right here, and you basically just want to add the or log into your Gmail account. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And once I've added that account, I will end up right here, and you just want to make sure that you have mail selected. It should be selected by default, but if it's not, just make sure it is enabled just like this. Then click on save, and it says account added. And if we just go back to our Mails app, we can now see that it should be like right here, and that is another inbox we can we have on the Mail app. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.